Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to show you how you can create stunning interior designs using Midjourney V4. This tool is a game changer for anyone who loves to design and decorate their homes, offices or any space, and you can just design multiple and like create stunning designs for your clients too. So let's get started. Let's see how Midjourney is going to help us with interior designs. So as you can see over here, we are at Midjourney, and if you don't know what Midjourney and how to install Midjourney in your device, you can just go ahead and click on log in your Discord account, and you can just join the beta from over here. You can just also click on sign in. It will take you to the same page, and you can just easily sign in with your Discord account if you want. And if I click on over here, you can see that there are a lot of art over here and people have created by themselves. So obviously we are not going to look at there, but I just showed you because you get the idea like how strong this Midjourney is. So once you log into your Discord account, you will end up over here, and this is the icon on the top left corner. As you can see, this is the Midjourney icon, and you will end up over here. These are some options you will see, and you might have like come up not here. Maybe you were here in announcement server or recent changes. What you need to do, you need to come over here in newbies, any newbie server, any newbies room, and you can see that people are still creating a lot of art over here. So why not we get the help to create our stunning interior designs, obviously with using Midjourney. And I have some prompt, like I have already pre-made prompt which I'm going to show you over here. So let's just suppose you have a client, like he or she is asking for you to create a specific interior design for them, and you are very struggling, like you don't have any ideas to provide that. What you can do, you can just come over here and you can just start imagining those things. You can just enter those things whatever your client require, and Midjourney would provide you the result. So how you can do that? And one more thing I want to mention before we start working, that you can also select you can create that from from your scratch, which I will show you later on. Right now I'm just going to paste the prompt so you can understand what I'm going to create. Right, I'm gonna write forward slash over here, forward slash imagine, and after that enter. You will see that prompt will appear over here, and after that I'm gonna paste that prompt over here. So my prompt is modern style, simple but yet stylish, comma, spacious and clean, comma, color black, setting, and colon. I will tell you what it means. Then bedroom, I'm looking for the bedroom. uh Here you can see that I have two hyphen over here, and with AR aspect ratio with 3:2. You will see the aspect ratio. This is kind of like aspect ratio, or let me show you some example if I can see. This is kind of 3:2. This is the aspect ratio, and we have one more hyphen q2, and after that a beta. So you can just go ahead and search this. Let's see what Midjourney will provide us with this prompt. And this colon, you can see that two columns over here. It emphasizes the setting for the image. Like in image, setting is very necessary, and like it's on top notch. So you need to mention two columns over here. You need to make sure that settings should be heavier than anything else over here, so it looks like clean, right? Obviously. So I'm gonna enter this prompt. Let's see what Midjourney will provide me. So as you can see over here, this is the design which we were looking for, and this looks very good. In my opinion, this one looks very good, and you can see we have different styles over here. So if you want more variation related to this, so let's just suppose that your client, or if you like this one, this image on the top right corner, you want more style related to this, right? So what you can do, you can just go over here. You can see we have some options over here, variation 1 2 3 4. So this was like 1 2 3 4, first picture, second picture, third picture, and fourth picture. If you want to upscale this picture with a better quality, you can just go ahead and click on u3 u2, sorry, this is the second image, right? Or you want more variation, you can just go ahead and click on v2. So let's just suppose that your client doesn't like any of this, right? Obviously we don't even have a bed on the fourth image. I don't know why, what was going on. So uh let's just suppose your client doesn't like this, right, at all. You can just easily click on this and you don't even need to write all these things. And after that, if obviously if client want to change like a black theme, obviously I wrote color black over here. If client want like yellow or white, or whatever the requirement, you can just also add that over here. Or you can just easily click on this refresh button, and Midjourney would provide you a different styles of images to you. Just remember, if I want to go ahead and search this image again, like particular image with every single thing and detail again, you cannot get that, because this is all AI, right? And AI cannot be repeated, like pictures cannot be repeated, they will always created by an AI and AI imagination. So uh, make sure to save this image maybe, and if you like really like this, or you can get the idea for the later on. So there's one more thing which I want to tell you over here. So I just upscaled this image, right, because I liked it, right? What you can do, you can just create more style of this image in a way that obviously I just told you that you cannot create a similar image like this again. If you want to change like the lamp, client said you don't like the lamp, or you client says like change everything black to into red. So what you can do, there's a one way that you can do. Go to top right corner, you can see we have our reactions over here, right? Click on that, and after that just search envelope. The first thing you can see, we have our envelope. Click on that, and what it would do, it would provide the seed number of this image. What is seed number now? So the Midjourney bot uses a seed number to create a field of visual noise, as you can see over here. uh, those seed numbers are generated randomly for each like image, but obviously you can just specify that. How how you can specify that? Obviously we get the feed like seed number of this on our left side. Midjourney just messaged us, and if we go there, before you go there, in my opinion, just go back again and go to that image, copy this image link. So you can just provide this image link to Midjourney as a reference. You can just copy that, or you can just open this in a new tab and easily copy this from over here. And after that, I'm gonna say imagine again. After that, I'm gonna paste that image. Obviously, we need the reference. After that, add those you know everything, all the prompts you have already given this image. I'm gonna paste that over here again, and you can just change anything from over here, like color black to red, or I'm gonna go with the color black, yellow, white. Obviously I'm just adding random colors over here just to show you how it's done. And at the end, we are going to add seed number. So where is the seed number? We get that direct message from, obviously, from the Midjourney. So I'm going to add that here, copy, go back, and here we are going to paste that over here, that seed number. So we have our reference image over here, we have our seed numbers over here, just to give the reference to Midjourney to create an image like this with some changes, right? And now we are going to enter. Let's see what Midjourney would provide us. So as you can see, we get the information related to that, and we have some similarities over here, like the triangle and the shapes we saw in that image, but obviously the position of the bed and everything is like literally changed. But the vibe, the environment, the ambience of this room is the same, and the colors we wanted, like yellow, white, and black, we got that. So you get the idea how strong this mid journey is. And once you start using it, you start giving prompts, you will realize that how strong this mid journey is to create a stunning interior designs, in my opinion. And maybe you should come over here on Midjourney and try it out by yourself. So I hope you like this video, and you get the idea, a simple guide to creating stunning interior designs with Midjourney V4. And we hope you found this video very helpful and informative. If you have any queries or comments, please leave them down below, and we will happy to answer them, obviously. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.